I apologize first.
Wait,
Uh-oh.
I interrupt this game for my real estate agent. Hello.
Hi. So I just spoke to the agent, and you just bought a house.
Whoa!
Today's the day I go and get the keys to my house.
The suspense.
Welcome guys to my series about DIYing and styling and making over and making my new house feel like a home. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
So, what's going on?
I just parked and I'm going to the lawyers to get my keys.
Oh, okay. And then what's your plan for this evening?
Well, I don't really have much to do with the house. I mean, I could start bringing stuff over if I wanted to, but I definitely just wanted to like go see it.
What time did you think you would go by your house?
I mean, I might as well go by like right after I get the keys, like right now.
Okay, well, when are you gonna have me go with you?
Well, can I pick you up and then we go?
Yeah. Where is the office that you're gonna pick up your keys?
I'm at Young and St. Clair.
Yeah, in St. Clair. Okay, yeah, come grab me then.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go get these keys and then I will come pick you up and then we'll go see the house.
Okay, excited.
Okay, love you, bye.
Okay, love you, bye.
So on my little walk to the lawyers to get the keys, let me tell you a little bit about this house that I just spent a lot of money on. It is a single family home, but it is a semi-detached in Toronto home. I was looking for a house that I could turn into 2 units, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make the upstairs 1 unit and the main floor and basement my unit. It's on the subway line, which I'm really excited about. Hopefully I can convince myself to take the subway more often. I've already met a couple of my neighbors. They seem really sweet, and overall I am just so excited. Lastly, there's going to be a decent amount of renos. The basement's unfinished and there's a lot of changes I need to make, especially to make it a 2-unit household. So I'm excited to bring you guys along this journey because it is gonna be one hell of a journey. My lawyer is actually in the same building, same floor, down the hall from my doctor's office, which is just kind of weird. Like, out of all the places in the city, I chose this doctor, or this lawyer, which, I mean, I didn't choose it because it's in the same building. It was actually a recommendation, but maybe it's a good sign, I don't know. Hi, I'm here to pick up some keys.
We do a reporting letter to you and I'll mail it to you in the next couple of weeks.
Okay.
It'll have copies of everything you signed.
Is it gross?
You put that on my new keys.
Okay, well.
They're very important. I wanted you to drive so that I could call my auto insurance because I'm renting a van tomorrow, and if I'm not covered by commercial then I have to like pay 30 bucks. So I'm hoping I'm covered. Oh. Hi there. You can make my day better by letting me know if I have commercial vehicle coverage when I rent a vehicle. Oh. You broke my new house.
The suspense.
Oh my gosh, why? Just keep all those crazies out. This is my house, my greenhouse, and hopefully it won't be green for much longer because I will eventually paint in here. But should we do a little tour? But first...
Yeah, let's put a pause on this video.
Oh my god, look! Hold on. Oh my god! I have so many nice little things. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Who's it from?
You picked a great home. Who is this from? Oh my God, my neighbors. My neighbors.
They have a key?
Yeah, wait, they have a key. Hold up. How did my neighbors get in here? Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. Bunch of manuals, love that. Wow. I'm getting the house ready for the house tour. Ready? Let's start downstairs. Okay, so I want to share with you guys the plan for the house. So when you walk in, this is the common hallway, or will be the common hallway, and then I'm going to move the entryway to my unit just a little bit this way. So then when you walk into my unit, there's this fireplace here. It's kind of not cute, but I will work with that and make it cuter. I've been looking up on Pinterest like things you can do to fireplaces, but this will be my like entryway living room, and then here where the windows are, I plan to do built-ins around the sides just so I can have some storage, but this is the living room. This was the dining room, but I'm gonna make it more of the living room. I don't think I'm really gonna have a dining room because it's not the biggest house. And then in here is the green kitchen. I'm not renovating the kitchen right now. There's actually not much happening on this floor other than opening it up some walls and then adding the walls to make a hallway. But this kitchen is, I'll do my own little renos to it, like upgrades, not renos, upgrades. But pretty much it's gonna stay as is. And I'm really excited actually about this window seat here because as I was looking at all the houses, I was like, I wanted to put in a little like window dining nook, and this one actually had one built in, which is crazy. I think the layout of the kitchen is a little weird, but I'm really glad that there's a dining nook bench, even though it is in a weird spot. I'm gonna appreciate it. So, going downstairs, this is gonna be my master bedroom and where we're gonna add a bathroom because there's no bathroom on the main floor. So this unit, main floor and basement, needs a bathroom and a bedroom. So that'll be down here. Watch your head. Okay. So the basement, it's very uneven. It's totally unfinished. There is no bathroom down here yet, but there will be. Laundry room, closet, bathroom, bedroom. Those are the main things, and storage that I'll be adding down here. This is probably the biggest project, and it's the first project that I will be tackling with my contractors. Cool. Should I show you the additional unit that I'm adding for some rental income? That's all the way upstairs. So, like I said, this is a shared entranceway, so my door to my unit will be there, the door to the second unit will be right here, and then we'll go upstairs. So currently up here are 3 bedrooms and a bathroom, so something I'm really excited about is I'm actually going to be stealing this clawfoot tub to use as my own clawfoot tub in the basement just because it's original, it's gorgeous, and I want it downstairs. So that'll make it so that this can be a better layout up here because right now it's really tight. It's actually kind of gross. I shouldn't use some. You can like do everything at the same time. You can wash your hands and have a shower and use the toilet. Okay, so moving on to the small bedroom. This is going to be a small kitchen now. So kitchen along this side mostly, laundry in a cabinet up here, and then down the hall we have a good sized bedroom and a closet. And what used to be the master bedroom it can be converted to the living room, which is what I assume the new tenant would want to use it as. That's all. Hey Google, stop. Sick, got that on camera. Not on you, but I got the audio of it. My neighbors used their garbage bins to block off an area so that I could park my truck. They did that for me. I love my new neighborhood. They're so nice. So Jenna helped me move all day, and I have a bedroom set up in the new place, but everything, we moved up to the second story. Hi Jenna.
I broke your doorknob.
What? But we moved everything upstairs because the renos are happening like main floor and basement first. So I have a pseudo living room up here and a bedroom, which is kind of cool because this is laid out how I think that the apartment, I put apartment in quotation, apartment will, this would be the kitchen, but for now it's gonna be my dressing room, and it gets a lot of light, so this is where I put all the plants. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, well, I'm gonna keep moving stuff. Thank you, Jenna, for all your help. And the next step is going to be starting to finalize plans on the basement. So I think the next time I see you, I will be in the basement trying to figure out what I want the layout to be down there. So I'll see you in a couple days. All right, today, as I said, we're in the basement and we're going to put up some drop cloths to figure out where all the walls are gonna go, because I'm not gonna commit to a plan until I see it IRL and feel it. Maybe this is like a hack if you're doing a reno. I don't know, is this a usual thing? Do you ever do this?
What?
You put up walls? Fake walls?
I usually put tape on the ground.
Tape on the ground, yeah. That was my first thought, but then mom was like, the walls you might wanna feel, especially in a small space, you gotta like really feel how it's gonna feel. How big can we make this bedroom? Or how small is the bathroom gonna be? So for the basement, there were lots of different layouts that we were playing with. Essentially, I need somewhere to do laundry, a bathroom, a bedroom, and a closet, as well as the mechanical stuff and storage. We tried putting up walls to test the different layouts. We sketched out so many different options, but we landed with this one, which puts the bedroom at the front of the house with a little closet divider section and the bathroom at the back and a dressing room at the landing. So I'm actually heading to Pennsylvania for a week, and while I'm gone, I think they might be breaking ground in the basement. I'm not really sure, but in a week, I guess I'll see what progress they've made. Thank you guys for tuning in to my first episode of this little house series that we're doing. Let me know if you like this kind of documentary style that Justin and I tried out. He's actually still putting the final touches on this video right now. Subscribe if you haven't already, because there's gonna be a lot more episodes and they're gonna come out kind of sporadically just because renos take a very long time. And my house right now is a disaster zone, but I'm documenting for you, so it's all worth it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you give it a like, and if you love it, make sure you sub, and we'll see you next time. Bye.